Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and today we're going over how to create a symbol map within Tableau. So I know I've previously made a video on the field map where it shows you based upon certain areas such as the state or country even, and it will fill that entire territory with one color. Whereas a symbol map, that's going to be something that you can visualize a few different ways to show maybe an area within a metropolitan area that covers multiple states or something like that. It's going to be easier to show you this than to explain it, but we're going to need one measure and we're going to need one dimension. So I am actually going to grab city here, and that is going to start us off, and it will automatically do a symbol map for us. Now you can see all of these are the same size and generally same color. So something that we could do is we could change it up by color to show something, or we could change it up by size. Let's do the count of orders. So how many orders there were per city. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to drag this onto size so then we can see it by size. Okay, so as we go in, we can see that Seattle has a lot more orders than, let's grab somewhere, Regina, Canada, and Saskatchewan. And Los Angeles is going to have a lot more orders than Pleasant Grove, Utah, which is actually close to where I am. And Denver, surprisingly, doesn't have that many orders, whereas the bigger cities, Chicago, DFW, Houston, all those different areas. Now, what could this be used for? So if we were going off of this specific data set and this specific outline, then I would say, oh, we could find different areas that would be great to put in a store, not necessarily like a distribution center. I mean, that could also help, but if we wanted to put in like a physical store, then we would say, oh, maybe New York would be good, or what's this one? This is Philly. I'm not from the East Coast, so I wouldn't know what that city is. We've got Miami, could be like a smaller store. You'd want to have a few over here as well as maybe one or two in the West. But that is going to be how you create a symbol map. There are other things that you can do. You can change up how big it is. You can change up the color, the detail, and you might be able to change up the different shapes that you have. Personally, I think circle's fine for the data that we're showing. Let's say if we want to do a line, it will do some crazy stuff, which this is really hard to read, but we can just go back to this, or we can do shapes. But that's going to be how you create a symbol map within Tableau. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below in the comments and I'll do my best to get back to you. You can connect with me on LinkedIn at Emily Call MBA. I am a LinkedIn learning instructor, so you can go check that out there. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.